I want to take your experience of using AI from this to this. That gap between what we hope AI will do for our businesses and what it actually does is exactly what this workshop is about. In my 4-hour Superclass at the SWPP convention, I'll show you how photographers can use AI to refine your thinking without replacing your creative voice. This isn't about image generation. It's about giving you practical tools to get unstuck, helping you finding a starting point, articulating ideas more clearly, making decisions with confidence, and even dealing with those things that maybe you've been quietly avoiding. We'll work hands-on the whole time, getting started on planning projects, shaping and simplifying offers, clarifying websites, and working through tricky client communications. Bring a laptop and be ready to make friends with your new brainstorming partner. Look in the comments for the link, and hopefully we'll see you there.